Hi, it's Dr. Valerie, and we're talking about codependency. One question that's often asked is, what does it mean to detach? What is part of that concept about detaching? Detaching is stopping certain behaviors, stopping them because you care enough about the person to not engage certain behaviors with the person. The more that you involve yourself and engage trying to cover things up, trying to hold things together, trying to please the person, trying to respond to the complaints that they may have about you, causes you to be engaged with them and engaged in a process. And it's a process that I'm here to tell you, you will not win. The alcoholic addict is a master at this process and is a master at pushing the button, whether it is your button for shame or guilt or responsibility or taking care of. They know exactly how to push those buttons to get you to do the things that they need that allows them to continue in the alcohol and drug behavior. So detaching is saying, I recognize the behaviors that I've done and I don't want to do them anymore. I love you. I care about you. And you're choosing to continue to use and drink. You're continuing to destroy yourself, and it's having an impact on the family. And I'm going to step back and begin to detach with love. What's interesting about detachment is, I think as you live in that environment, it can only go for a certain period of time because it impacts you so much. It's so hard to watch something and just turn your back and walk away. One of the reasons that family members have a 12-step program called Al-Anon is to assist you in understanding the ramifications and how you get caught. It's like a dance between the family and the alcoholic addict. As long as everyone is participating in the dance, the problem continues. Someone has to be willing to stop the dance. So I'm appealing to you, the family, to say, there are things that you can do. You can educate yourself about alcohol and drugs. You can go to Al-Anon, which is a 12-step program that helps family members understand their role in the process of working and trying to help the alcoholic addict. It's also the time where you begin to look at the impact that the person's drinking and drug use is having on your life. What are you giving up? What are you not doing in order to cover and stay in the cycle with the person with the problem? See, with you living in that environment, you're involved in that process. So this topic on detachment is you recognizing what's going on. You are being willing to do something. You taking action to change certain behaviors that you are doing. See, it's not enough to look to the alcoholic and addict to change their behavior. They're not going to change until they get some help. You can begin to choose to do some things differently. Detachment is one of those things.